Same. Oh my gosh. Yay. Yeah. How are you? Oh my gosh, I almost hit stop streaming. I'm so tired. I'm so tired, guys. Oh, I need to open. Have you seen? Oh, I need to turn on my, what do you call it? Baby monitor. Have you seen what they have at the historic house? The new thing? Yeah, I don't understand. Here, I'm gonna post it in my Discord. Um, yeah, I'm gonna post this in my Discord, but yeah, I'm trying to go on Sunday. Yeah, we probably won't stay long this weekend though, because we actually, you know that program that Baby Bunny's in, the free one, they actually have somebody providing free holiday shoots to families, like only 15, only 15, but like I managed to snag a photo shoot, so we're gonna hopefully have holiday cards this year. Whether they go out on time or not is a whole other story. Okay, hold on. Actually, that's not what I wanted to do. That's not what I wanted to do. Uh, we'll see. Okay, so Python. Oh wait, type decorator. Python. Non type is not callable. Okay, anyways. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? Right? Um have you been? What is new with you? I don't think this is gonna be a very long stream tonight. I'm really tired. I just want to go to sleep, guys. I want to eat some chocolate and I want to go to sleep. But okay. Um let's go on to task 4. Oh, I guess I'm supposed to be numbering these too, right? Well, I guess we don't need to since yeah. Hangman closure. Okay, so declare a function called make hangman that has one argument called secret word. Okay. When you get up to a 12 stream streak, Turing, you're allowed to be frustrated at time. 12 stream streak. That I think that was Love's record. I guess we could do that too. We could put a record. Uh I'll do that later. Don't yeah. Okay. So declare a function. It should also declare an empty array called guesses. One argument. Okay. So guesses equals empty array. How are you, Turing? Oh, thanks so much for the follow 4-line clear. I appreciate it so much. Oh, so there is a positive on my short hair. So once it grows out a little bit longer, I can start using my air wrap without the long attachments. Since I can't seem to get a hold of the long attachments, so when when my hair grows out just a little bit, I can start using the air wrap to curl and blow dry my hair again, which is really nice considering it has not been getting any use. Okay. Um, takes one argument. Hey, Tuwoke, how are you? Closer closure, which takes in one argument, which should be a letter. Each time the letter should be appended to. Oh my gosh, why do I keep doing that? But yeah. How is everyone? I'm really, really, really tired. So we're gonna try and get through 4, 5, and 6. And then hopefully I will understand number 2, because I'm still looking at it and I still don't understand number 2. Okay, so hangman closure. And then so each time. Oh my god, why do I keep doing that? Okay, so then we're going to letter. Also, everyone, cheers, hydrate. I'm probably not sleeping tonight after drinking this, but I am going to be tired and wired at the same time. So go figure. Okay, within the inner function, each time it is called, the letter should be appended. Then the word should be printed out with underscores. So if the secret word is alphabet and guess this is A, H, then aha should be printed out. Function should return true if all the letters have been guessed and false otherwise. Thin hangman closure. Okay, so they are literally asking for a fine. Play and okay, so they want me to literally just write a hangman program. We can do this, guys. I've done this before. Hi, Cyclops. How are you? It's been a while, I feel like. Okay, so okay, so basically if mm, if something if all the letters guessed return true, else oh my gosh, what internships are you going for? And good luck, good luck, good luck. And you got this. Finals are almost over. Take it from someone who went through college, didn't really utilize like any of the resources at college. Granted, the department that I was in, the resources were not really there. But if I had been in another department, I know that like bio and business, and I think for ICS as well, the resources and the counselors and everything were amazing, according to my friends. But like, I made a couple of appointments with counselors and stuff. Yeah, nope, nope, nope. So utilize those. Boot camp is going. No. I've kind of been applying, but not really. Oh, somebody on YouTube. And a closure is I'm my definition according to what we have here is that here, I'll lift it up so you guys can see a little bit more. My definition is that it tells us if the game is ending or not. So it's a state. Like that's what I think it would is. Oh no. Okay, well, keeping my fingers crossed for you. You got this. You got this. Also, guys, I have restarted that bonnet that I was making, like, I'm not even exaggerating at this point, like 30 times. I've started it with one yarn and then I decided that I didn't like the look of it. And then so I started with the correct yarn and gauge. But then I was like, this is gonna take too long. And then now I'm using the big thick blanket yarn. Like, let me make sure I'm not this yarn. And so I kind of guesstimated on the gauge, which is how many stitches per inch, and then yeah, I severely overcounted. So it's that bonnet is like big enough for me. When I was doing, I didn't use any resources. Hey, Cyclops, more power to you. Like, I'm a lot older than people think I am. Like, I was talking to someone. Actually, so I surprisingly, out of all of the different branches of the military, I have a lot of acquaintances and good friends who are in the Air Force. Like, I have one really good friend, granted, since moving, since having a kid, since he's had a kid, we've lost touch, but I still consider him a good friend. However, he was in the army, but there's a couple of other people that I am pretty close with that are in the Air Force and then also acquaintances too. And I'm just like talking to them and I'm just like, no, 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 no. No. I'm not. I'm not. So talking to someone over Thanksgiving makes me wish I had, honestly wish I had, but I'm not going to. And it's not just because of the 8-week boot camp, it's also because even if I'm going for the tech sector, I could still be deployed, you know? And I think I didn't understand that. I think, like, for me, I was thinking, oh, if I'm in the tech sector, I'm not gonna get deployed. But no, you can still get deployed. um, so yeah, but I do have regrets on not joining the military earlier on. I've had a couple of friends who have closed out their contracts, but they are, hey, wait, why is the reason? Oh, because you could get deployed. Also, did you look more into it? Are you going to try and make the December 16th? Wait. I'm not afraid of the work. And I think that being in the military will keep me yeah, you sh totally should. And also, like, tomorrow's session, the later one is pretty late. So if you're working, you drag your girlfriend along and just hop on the ice. But oh my gosh, guys. So I'm really considering getting the synthetic ice, but it's expensive, and as a figure skater, we need a lot more ice to do jumps and spins than a hockey player. And oh, okay. Well, 2 more weeks, 2 weeks, and they have another one. And then also they're open. If you don't care about the free sessions, they're open throughout the week too. You just have to go on their website and you can see their open times. However, you guys also should have a ice rink like right down the street. Well, I don't know where your girlfriend works actually, but you should have an ice rink right down the street. I think I remember hearing that they brought back the one at uh Union Square, right? Yeah. Oh, well, I meant by your work. Like a block over in Oakland. Yeah, there are so many. And also, guys, remember how we were talking about global warming like 2 weeks ago? Bay Area broke its 122-year record for being the coldest day yesterday. So it didn't get over 50 degrees yesterday in the city. Like, oh my gosh. It was so cold today. It was so cold. And I like the cold, but oh my gosh, it was so cold. Okay, anyways, if all the letters are guessed. So we are going to Python closure um protection for stuff your wrapper. I'm actually probably going to hit. Hey, Riser. Oh my goodness. How are you? It's been a while. And also, if you're lurking, don't feel any pressure to respond. Just, I saw that you hit last. So, no pressure to respond. But hi, how are you? Okay, I think you would appreciate this. Guess what I have been super into reading recently? Also, are you still writing? Oh my gosh. I have been reading Dramione. Dramione. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but Draco and Hermione fan fiction. I have been obsessed. Obsessed. They're so well written. Okay, not all of them. I have had a bunch of did not finish books, and wow. See, I was like, I'm going to start focus, and then look at that. Um, already distracted. Oh my gosh. Wait. Do you read Draco and Hermione fan fiction? So I haven't gotten into any of the other like fandoms or tropes or anything like that. Like Harry Potter and Ginny Weasley and everything, or like Ron and Hermione, like does not interest me. It is all about Hermione and Draco. But seriously, some of the books are so well written. Oh, some of these are spicy. Some of these are no plot basically. A lot I don't read those as often. But there are some that have spice and plot, and there are some that are just plot. Um Here's how well written some of these books are. I can name five five fan fiction artists, writers in the last year that have had their works or like have gotten book deals to either rewrite their books as not being in the Harry Potter universe and then releasing it, or else just writing brand new books. Yeah, so okay. Do you want Okay, so one of the ones that changed my life, it doesn't have a whole lot of spice. Okay, it is a romance, but it is a very dark and psychological type book. Um, so do you want the one in the in the universe, or do you want the ones that are written outside of the universe? Because I can tell you now, some of them are not available to download anymore. So alchemized. Here, I'm gonna type it out. Mana cold became alchemized. Okay, so Manacled was the Harry Potter one, and then it's now alchemized. The auction, and then that turned into Rose in Chains, and then there was um I can't remember. It was like Draco Malfoy's mortifying ordeal of falling in love, and then it was to um something with your enemy. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so Manacled. Manacled has like over, okay, I think it got removed. It got removed from AO3, but I think it had over like 200,000 review or not reviews. But okay, so on Goodreads, it has 152,000 reviews. And it's a 4.6. So it has 152,000 and it's a 4.6. So yeah. And then this is yeah. No, you really should. On wait, on Goodreads or on AO3? Um Archive of Our Own, definitely, especially if you have some sort of you follow some sort of fandom, then yes, you should definitely put it out there. And yeah, let me know if you put it out there. But yeah, so I've been into that on top of trying to learn to code. Now, on that note, I am going to go. So I haven't heard much. I just literally kind of go through recommendations and then look at how many kudos it has or thumbs up in that sense. And then if it's complete, it has to be complete. I will not read a work in progress because I've been burned too many times with books that have not been finished and are still not finished. So I will not read incomplete or in progress books. I know, but I have homework. I have homework. Also, hi 100 times programmer. How are you? But on that note, I'm going to hit a focus. I will see you. I will see you guys soon. BRB. Okay. So, I just realized you guys can probably hear me chewing. Okay, so we have, let's write this out. So we have the secret word. Actually, oh my gosh, don't want to do that. Okay, okay, so we have secret word for hangman. Okay, and then we take a guess. Let's say we have the word, what word do they give us? Alphabet. Okay, so alphabet. Okay. So I think we would want to so if we were to do a dictionary, and then have the letters A, and then that would be 0, 4, 0, 4, L, 1, P, 2. So if we were to create a dictionary of the secret word with the indexes, but that seems like I'm overcomplicating it. I feel like that's overcomplicating it. Okay, right? Right? It kind of seems like I'm overcomplicating it. Okay, otherwise, if we were to but then each time we would have to do a loop because we would need to find the index of the word anyways, right? Yeah, so I think okay. Okay. So I think yeah, let's and then to do this we would do for loop. Hi, Om Pendle. Okay, so we would do a for loop with enumerate. Um, alt dictionary. I really think, okay, I really think I'm overcomplicating it. Is this use the input function to prompt, then use the in. Okay. Oh, okay. So they do still want this. Oh my gosh, why do I keep doing this? Ask for... Okay, so we're going to... Okay, you know what? Ugh. Okay. So we're going to do yes equals length of secret word times I'm drawing a blank on how to do Okay, hold on. Hold on, guys. I don't remember how to do this. I don't remember how to do this. Oh my gosh, is that correct? I think that's correct. I think that's correct. Print. Yes. Okay. Make hangman. That. Oh my gosh. Python. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay. I don't even know what that means, chicken, so no. Will cannot. Okay, focus mode is pretty much over. Okay, so that did what I wanted it to do at least. Okay, so then we would do for letter in secret word, for index letter in enumerates secret word. Ugh. And then we're also gonna do we're also gonna do index dictionary equals From collection sort dictionary. We're gonna default dictionary. Actually, no, I don't need that. I don't need that. I should not need that. Basically. I should not need that. Okay, so if index dictionary dot get letter index dictionary letter plus equals 1. Oh my gosh. Plus equals index. Okay, and then else. Okay, let's also make hangman alphabet. Trace back. Letter. Hangman closure is missing 1. Oh. Hidden. Let's name this hidden. Then we're gonna name this Control D. Yes. Kafka is a distributed pub sub model. Really useful for busting messages microservice. It's also your best source of stream data for data engineering. Is that it's notoriously hard to configure. Oh my gosh. My head just hurts. And the thing is, I know how to do this. Like what I'm doing now. I know how to do this. It's just my brain is not braining right now. I'm tired and it's really hard to get out of vacation mode. But on that note, are you a data engineer? Okay, so oh wait. That didn't work. Why didn't that work? Oh, because I need to print Dex dictionary. For no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, it does have to. Okay, it does have to be. Yeah. In from collections because they're integers. They're integers. If I just add. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hold on. I don't think I can do this, but we're gonna try. Actually, no, we don't even need that. Okay, just kidding. Just kidding. We don't even need this. Hold on. Append index. This is default dictionary list. How did you get into data engineering? How do you enjoy it? Do you have any advice? I feel like you have been in here in my chat before, but I'm drawing a blank on the advice that you might have given me, if that is the case. And then also, how did you get into it? Because I only recently learned about data engineering. Okay, from index, append. Yeah, so we don't even need because this is default dictionary. Perfect. Okay, so equals index dictionary guess or dot get guess. Data engineering is the best pay for the least work. Wait, how did you know this before you got into it? I question mark plant. Yeah, question mark plant. And then way better than backend. How long have you been a data engineer? Yeah, so if you want to plant a plant, this is only for Twitch. Sorry guys, on YouTube, but it is question mark plant. And then you can thug your plant with sunglasses, or else you can water it. You can also attack other plants. So, yeah. Yay! And then if you do question mark thug, you'll get sunglasses, and then question mark water. There is a cooldown, so I believe the cooldown for water is 6 minutes, and then the cooldown for thug is 12. Cooldown for attack is also 6 minutes. So you just do question mark attack, and then the user's plant, like the user name that you want to attack. Just so you know, Riser, if you attack me, I'm gonna attack you back. And then you can't water unless you have water available. But yes. Okay, so then if temp. Oh wait. No, just kidding. Just kidding. So if that's not what I wanted to do. Been a data engineer for 6 years. Okay. So, did you go to school for it? Were you or did you do boot camp, or are you self-taught? Like, what what was your journey? Oh, and also sorry, Riser, you asked how baby is doing. She's doing good. She's so smart. So smart. Oh, that's not the right one. Okay, she's so smart. I was gushing about it last night. But yeah, she's actually I am curious. What is the average sentence length of a average sentence length Yeah. She is way past the milestone. I think she's speaking like okay, let's see. Okay, yeah. So she's tracking at like 4.5, 5 years old. Wow. That's actually a little scary. I didn't think. Okay, maybe that's why she isn't flourishing. Financial, then business intelligent, then data engineering. Learn Spark on Databricks. It's super hireable. Okay. So this is the program that I'll send this. Oops. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the program that um I'm doing right now. And I am in the data engineering program. So I'm in Python Essentials class. So yeah, that's what they're teaching. Okay. Okay. Temp dictionary equals how do I remove a key? Hold on. I don't remember how to do this. How do I remove a key? Okay, sorry. Distracted. We just got photos from babies. Oh, baby is holding hands with her bestie. Sorry, just got pictures and super distracted by looking at the pictures. Gosh. Okay, okay. Anyways, delete. Top age. So let's see. Okay, if if length of index dictionary equals 0, return true. Else return false. And then this we're basically going to do if temp, we're going to have for temp index or for index temp, we're going to do hidden index equals yes. Okay, and then we're going to do print hidden. I'm still like confused. Okay, make secret. The secret word. Game 1. Okay, so game 1 equals make hangman, right? And then, oh, game 1. I think is A. Hey, okay. Gosh, why do I keep doing that? Okay, and then game 1. B. Okay, and then wait, let's do cross. B R O S. Okay. Yay. So, if else else guess equals input, please guess another letter. So if all false otherwise, what then implement a hangman game that uses use input function to prompt for the secret word, then use the input function to prompt for each of the guesses until the okay, no, wait, what? Okay, just kidding. Okay, so we do need to define play hangman secret equals input, please provide I mean, yeah, I'm wondering if I'm supposed to be using a class. But it just says declare a function. It doesn't say to declare a path. class. Yeah, it doesn't say to declare a class. Oh, hey, I forget, are you in my Discord? I posted the question number 2 in my Discord because I could not make any sense of what they wanted. Can you, if you're in my Discord, can you let me know if I'm just, no, actually don't let me know if I'm actually not smart. But if anybody in my Discord wants to look at the question and let me know if they can decipher it, that would be very, very helpful, and I would be so thankful. Also, Time, if you're still there, make sure you water your plant. Okay, secret, please provide a secret word to guess. Oh my gosh, why do I keep doing that? Okay, then we're going to run game equals make hangman secret. Okay. And then hi Crayon. How are you? Okay. So now we're going to define play hangman. And then we're going to do guess equals input. Please make letter. Please guess a letter. Okay. I'll guess length of guess is greater than 1. And or type guess not equal string. Bending! How are you? Sounds interesting. I know, I don't use decorators either. I don't know how much I... Explaining why what? You don't use decorators? Please share what you've been doing. But yeah, anybody in stream that would love to explain to me what the heck question 2 means, I would be so thankful. And wait, why are you anxious? Like, that's not good. I want to give you a virtual hug. And I feel for you, you know, Yeah, it's life is hard. Life is hard. So please, um, obviously, we want to keep boundaries and we are not therapists here or anything like that. But if you want to share something, please feel free. Um, yeah. Oh my gosh, sending. I forget. Do you get the panda crates from KiwiCo? Or does anybody get the panda crates from KiwiCo? Because I'm like at a loss. Baby Bunny, this is how smart Baby Bunny is. Like, she. So does anybody remember that game with the like little plastic pieces and you push down the middle part and you try and get all the plastic pieces in quickly before it goes kaboom? Uh, we we got the box that has that thing for toddlers in it. Um, it's a lot more simple. I think it has like 6 shapes in it, but oh my gosh, guys, like not even 5 seconds after we start the timer, like baby has already gotten it all in the thing, and she's just looking over it, waiting for it to pop up. Okay. I signed up for reschooling. I got through the initial, so which was sort of speedy. We need to sign a form with one where they promise to hire after the course in order to be allowed to start. Oh my gosh. Keeping my fingers crossed. Keeping my fingers crossed for you. Concentration? Wait, concentration on what? Time. Water your plant. Okay. Oh, concentration. Okay, well, Crayon, keeping my fingers crossed for you. And that's awesome, though, that you have an interview follow up with IBM. Really, really keeping my fingers crossed. Oh my gosh, so cool. So cool. And the fact that you get to go into the office to meet them and meet with them, like I honestly, I know everyone's pushing for remote, like all the workers are pushing for remote work and whatnot, but honestly, like I feel like maybe it's because I'm a like an entry level junior software engineer looking to want to learn more from mentors, but I feel like it would be so much more beneficial for me to work in the office with my mentors. Although I would probably annoy them. I have been told that, granted, my voice has gotten lower through the years, but I have been told that I have an obnoxiously high voice. In my work time in both time and space. Yeah. Have a good night, Riser. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it so much. And yeah, definitely post your stories. That would be awesome. Yeah. I'm And maybe that's why like I have such low self-confidence sometimes and I'm scared to be myself in person because I have been told that I seem too fake because I seem too nice and I'm too happy in person. Um Granted, you guys have seen me crying a whole lot. So maybe you guys won't think that, but yeah, like I think that changed me. Hearing someone, and also these people that are telling me what other people are saying, like I'm just kind of like, why are you telling me this? Like this is showing me that I can't trust you either. Hi, Cyber. I mean, like, granted, some of it was in high school, or sorry, college, but like, yeah. So I remember my ex. There's a reason he's my ex, but I remember he told me like these people that I thought were good friends of mine were apparently like thinking that I was fake because they were like, "Oh, she's like her voice sounds fake." So it's like, what do I say to that? Because I feel like what I show online is what I show in person. Like maybe sometimes I'm a little bit more reserved in person if I don't feel comfortable, but I also feel like I don't really want to waste my time being mean. Because if I'm wasting my time being mean, that means I'm wasting my time and energy on someone that I don't really care for. So what's the point in that? Like, I'm nice to people I like because I want to be nice to them. And I just don't talk to the people I don't like because why waste my time? And also, why waste my time talking about someone that I either don't like or I don't agree with because then they're still taking up space in my mind. I mean, like, that's my thought. Okay, granted, sometimes I do rant about people, like people who hurt me. Like, I don't talk to any of my bridesmaids anymore. So, uh, one of them has ghosted me like 3 different times, and it's always because the excuse is always because, oh, well, somebody was talking about you, and I felt really bad and guilty, and so, da, 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 da. And I'm just like, okay, well, you can't be your own person. And she was always like, oh, well, I stood up for you and stuff. So why did you ghost me? Why did you just stop talking to me and give me the silent treatment like every single time? Without a doubt, that was always her excuse, and I never found out why she would ever give me the silent treatment from her. It was always somebody else's fault. I used to be nice, but why are you so nice? Should I be? I know. And it's I think this is also why I struggle so much with like my depression and stuff is because it's like I used to generally be a very happy person, you know? And I just genuinely enjoyed living. I enjoyed my life. I enjoyed coaching and things like that. But like I feel like now I know the thoughts in my head aren't necessarily my true thoughts, but then it's hard because it's in my head and yeah, like it's yeah. But yeah, anyways, back to coding. Yeah, but Crayon, I feel like I've been told that multiple times by multiple different people, different groups of friends. So it just feels like, what's wrong with me? Why do I rub people the wrong way? Why do people not like me? Like, it's a running joke. It's a running joke with me and one of my best friends, like from college. Like, he he is the sweetest person, but he also is like it's a running joke. He's like, why do girls just seem to not like you? Because it does seem like it's a lot. Like, I feel like girls are so catty. Oh, but then I meet some really sweet girls, and then it's like, okay, but yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'm just too trusting. I don't know. Let's not talk about it. I'm gonna focus. I'm gonna finish this game. And then, yeah, we'll be back. We'll be back. Okay, okay, and then once. Oh, wait. Okay, nope, that didn't work. Oh, hold on. Okay, so we got that. Now, how am I going to loop? Oh, we actually do. No, that did not. No, what? Oh my gosh. I guess it would help if I actually... String. Oh. Okay, so how do I check if it... I forget how. I forget how. It was something to do with ASCII. Or is alphabet. Okay, is alpha. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I forgot that. I forgot that. Don't let any... Maybe they're not all... Don't let anyone enter your thoughts. Girls feel jealous of the... Being nice to threats. Oh my gosh, the fact that being nice to people... uh, uh, uh. Seriously. Okay, so why is... I want to see what happens if I print... function. So what is... Okay, hold on. While false? While... not true? Uh... I know that that's not working. Okay, so... hold on. So... actually, let me see. Oh my gosh, it's because I'm not... oh my gosh. I know what's going on right now. Hold on. Okay, so I know one issue for index. If temp for index, and then we're going to delete. 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 Uh, I'm not true. I know, I know, I know. Okay. So we need. Oh my gosh, why did I just do temp when I know that this is. Okay. Perfect. So we got that. Now we have to do really, I don't think we need a space. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. So we got that. We got that. So now, why am I not looping? Well, I know why I'm not looping, but how do we use the closure? I saw somebody write false is not true. That's pretty funny. But, I mean, you've seen me code enough that I've done some very questionable things. So, I can't fault them. I remember when I was doing my data science class and I was just typing out like these long codes with long one-liners. And then people were like, wait, that shouldn't be possible. And it worked. It worked. Okay. Dang it. I need to actually go down to get my Kindle at some point. Okay. Why am I... No, but seriously, who wants to help me with task number 2? Okay, so make a secret, bad guesses. Okay, so it returns, so this returns false or else it returns true. Okay, so while game? No, because it's right now we want it to be while not game. Rappers. Hey, metal. Well, not game. Oh wait, we need this up here. Nope. Okay. Wait. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, so uh huh. How do I make a while loop using the what the wrapper returns? Right? So we got something while not false. Hi, Abu. I think I've had too much sugar and I haven't even had that much sugar. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, Tech Papa. Okay, no, but seriously, how would I make this into a while loop where basically once I win, uh, okay, okay. So false. So this should be while game is, oh my gosh, is false. What is my is not true? Is that what I was saying? Well, fall game is not true. Um, okay. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my gosh. Is that why? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, is that why? No. No. Okay. A wrapper just returns a function, right? Well, no. So the decorator returns the wrapper. But okay, so yes and no, because look, if I print game, yes. Although, I guess while game guess is false. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Got it. Okay. Got it. Okay. So we want to. Oh, duh. Okay. So we want to do. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? What am I doing, guys? Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Focus. Focusing. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. Well, temp is false. So we're gonna do temp equals, or let's call this game state. Game states equals false. Okay, so game state. While game state is false, we're going to do guess. And then we're going to rename this game state equals game guess. Hey, look at that. I'm in Python, so snake case. Okay. Struggling, it seems. Yes. Funny. I have a question. Is it okay if I share a GitHub link? My Discord? Oh, yeah, of course. No, no, no. Go ahead. Thanks for the reminder time. We were calling for you to water your plant. But yeah, of course, go ahead and share on Discord. But again, somebody please answer my question for number 2. Okay. Anyways, oh, oh, poor time, poor time. Turing was waiting for that. I'm sorry. I called that out that you planted another plant. But yeah, hooray. Okay. 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 Yay. Okay. I'm actually pretty proud of that. Let's see if I'm gonna be right back so that I can get my Kindle before yeah. So I don't have to go back downstairs later. Okay. Back. Back, back, back. Okay, guys. Oh, I forgot to turn off focus mode. Okay, extending a class within extend point to vector. Okay, so this is task 5. Object. Okay, anyways. Okay. So, extending a class. So we're gonna do class point. It represents a point in 2D space with x, y pass to the init. Okay, so define init self dot x equals x. Oh my gosh. Self dot y equals y. E then I'm gonna give myself 15 more minutes, guys. Sorry. Chili is explaining to help me. Okay, so with problem 2. Okay, so man, my head is not wrapping around this question either. I think why? Right? No. I don't remember how to do this. Basic class definition. Oh, is there not supposed to be... Oh my gosh, is there not supposed to be... Wait. Is there not supposed to be parentheses with a class? Hold on. Have I been... Wait. Wait. Have I been writing my code wrong? Oh my gosh, no. I have just forgotten how to code. That's all there is. That's all there is to it. I've forgotten how to code. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So... Oh, poor time. Poor time. Okay. So... Let's look at... One. Perfect. Random class. Okay, class method. Okay. Do that. Class inheritance. Okay. And then this is... There we go. Okay, so create a point. It should include methods for equality. So define equality. Oh my gosh, I can't type. Self class define string rep self class define Euclidean distance self class. Okay, and then create a class which is a subclass of point. Actually, subclass. Just kidding. That means like this, right? Right? Okay, hold on. In this case, the subclass overrides the new method. Hi, Crispy. How are you? Oh my gosh. I've been streaming for 2 hours already. I've gotten one problem done, guys. One problem. One problem. I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay. So class inheritance. Make a bigger bark. Is class inheritance and sub uh oh my gosh, I should just pull out my Python essentials book. But anyways, uh also is the class that inherits from okay. I'm yeah. A dog is an animal. Yes. Yes, they are. Okay, so which is subclass and uses the same in it. So it should okay. Anyways, let's first figure this out. For equality, true, false, string representation. What is that? Wait, is the tomato considered a vegetable now? What is string representation? Okay, so string representation. Oh, so this would be string like that. And then in Python, okay. So, and then also Euclidean distance Python. Actually, I'm gonna just rename. They didn't tell me to yeah, so we're gonna print f string, which is x self dot x comma self dot y. Okay. And then Euclidean distance. Okay, anyways. Vegetable is a culinary term. Fruit is botanical term. Wait, I thought, okay. I thought that fruit had visible seeds and vegetables did not? I guess that doesn't make sense because, or like, vegetables don't have seeds? Like, I thought it had something to do with seeds. Thanks, Scrooge. Apples have visible seeds. Today I learned. Wait, the apples you eat didn't have seeds before? Vegetables do have seeds? Wait, can you name one vegetable that is culinary termed? Pumpkin? Okay, fair enough. For some reason, I was thinking pumpkin squash, but I guess that makes sense that squash is a vegetable. Hi, Hola. Welcome in, welcome in. Yeah, okay. Baby Bunny loves zucchini and pumpkin and cucumber, so go figure, completely brain farted there. Yes, we actually just bought zucchini and cucumber today for Baby Bunny. But yeah. Yeah, to be honest, some of the okay, do you guys remember growing up when apples used to brown? Fruit is part of time. Okay, I do remember hearing something about like a flowering plant is where fruit is grown, but then wouldn't squash also be considered a fruit? Because isn't there like the squash blossoms and that people eat, right? And then if you don't, and then peas too. Peas also start out as a flower and then they grow into the pod. Okay. Honestly, there are some apples that we've gotten recently. I cut it and then it's out, right? I don't have to put any lemon juice or anything like it. Seriously, try it. They brown a little bit, but not nearly as much as when I was younger. Yeah, and then also artichoke. Artichoke is like a flower or comes from a flower. I saw them recently. So, like, is that considered a fruit too? Like, I know figs are also flowers too. Turing is amazing. So is Love, who isn't here right now, but Turing is absolutely amazing and really appreciate him. Uh, oh my gosh, Rezi, my father-in-law does that. So he grows things from seeds. So he so far has grapes that he's managed to grow from seeds. He's grown cherimoya from seeds, dragon fruit from seeds, loquats from seeds, um, kumquats from seeds, pineapple guava, strawberry guava, and the big green guava from seeds. Goji berries from seeds. What else? Oh, I think there's like 2 or 3 different citruses as well. Yeah. And then okay, so cherry amoyas, you need to if you don't have um like enough flowers or something like that. I don't really understand it because I know my one of our friends had a huge cherimoya tree before their neighbors cut through the roots. Granted, the roots were on the neighbor's property, but they cut through the roots and killed the tree. But they used to get a ton of cherimoyas from their tree without having to hand pollinate it. Um, but yeah, like father-in-law pollinates the cherimoya flowers by hand with a brush to get the fruit. It's he's amazing. Okay. I'm gonna hit another focus mode and try and finish this as quickly as I can. BRB. Okay. Okay, so Euclidean distance. You can sum of the square differences between correspondences and taking the square root. Okay. So if length of point 1 does not equal length of point 2. Okay, so square differences for I in range of length of point 1. Square differences also equal. Hold on. What? What? Okay, so Euclidean difference. Oh, Euclidean distance to another point. Okay, wait. So it would need to take in another point. Okay, got it. So I would need to take in another point. Okay. So this is point. So basically we would do distance. So distance, it would be Hold on. I feel like create a class called point. It represents a point in 2D space with XY values passed to the init method. It should to another point. Uses the same init method. Add a method in the vector class which overrides the string representation. Override the plus operator so that cements. Okay. Okay, so okay, let's read this. Class methods. Don't treat Okay, I don't think I have the capacity to finish this right now. So, we're probably gonna just good luck in focus mode. I'm actually gonna just end. But thanks for stopping in. Welcome in, Flatman. Okay, who is stream? Okay, so ooh. Anna who we're rating. Guess who we're gonna raid today? Okay, let's end focus mode. We're gonna raid Michael. Okay. If you are a follower, if you are a sub, raid. Okay, and then I copied and pasted his name. So if you're a sub, please copy and paste that message. If you're a follower, copy and paste the one above that uses global emotes. I appreciate you. Also, this is for a Twitch. I don't think there's rating on YouTube. I appreciate you all. Have an amazing night. And yeah, thanks for hanging out. I will probably be back tomorrow to try and finish this homework. Okay, bye. Good night.